It is finally happening. Microsoft is bringing back two of the most requested features since Windows 11 launched, moving the taskbar and making it smaller. Today, we are taking a first look at Windows 11 Insider Experimental Preview Build 26,300.8493, which officially introduces these massive changes. First up, let's talk about the big one: alternate taskbar position. For years, Windows 11 forced you to keep your taskbar locked at the bottom. But according to the official release notes, you can now put it wherever you want. If you head into Settings, then Personalization, Taskbar, and open up Taskbar Behaviors, you'll find a brand new option. You can now choose to put your taskbar on the bottom, top, left, or right. What's really impressive here is the polish. Microsoft notes that tooltips, flyouts, and animations still work flawlessly, adapting to whichever side of the screen you choose. Plus, popular settings like Never Combine work across all locations. But that's not all. If you've been looking to maximize your screen real estate, especially on smaller laptops, you are going to love this. Microsoft is officially introducing a smaller taskbar. To turn this on, stay in that same taskbar behaviors menu and look for Show Smaller Taskbar buttons. When you switch this to Always, the entire taskbar height reduces and the icons shrink down. The best part, Microsoft didn't just shrink the background. Core elements like the Start menu, Windows search, and the system tray icons all scale appropriately, so everything stays perfectly aligned and readable. Beyond the taskbar, build 26,300.8493 also includes a system-wide UI refresh for better consistency, alongside improvements to widgets, Windows search, voice access, and typing. Now, a quick reminder on how to get this. Microsoft is rolling this out to the experimental channel, which was formerly known as the Dev channel. As they transition to these new Windows Insider channel names, you might still see Dev channel on your system. To enroll, go to Settings, Windows Update, and select Windows Insider Program. Click Get Started, sign in with your Microsoft account, and choose either the Dev or Experimental channel. After that, restart your PC and check for updates. If you've installed the update but still don't see these features, they might be rolled out gradually. You can try searching for Taskbar in the Feature Flag section, inside Windows Insider Program page to enable them, or you can force them on immediately using ViveTool with these specific IDs: Taskbar Position, ID, Smaller Taskbar, ID. This is a massive step forward for Windows 11 customization. But I want to know what you think. Are you moving your taskbar to the side, or are you just happy to finally make it smaller? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this first look, smash that like button, subscribe for more Windows updates, and I'll see you in the next one.